Good morning children. Please subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon. Today 8th class mathematics, rational numbers, properties of rational numbers, associative property. Today we are going to learn. In previous classes we learned associative property in natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Today we are going to learn rational numbers. Associative property, rational numbers under addition. Take three rational numbers 2 by 7, 5, 1 by 2 and verify them. 2 by 7 plus within brackets 5 plus 1 by 2 within bracket close, that is equal to 2 by 7 plus 5 within brackets plus 1 by 2. LCM is equal to 2 by 7 within brackets 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 5 is nothing but 5 by 1, then that is equal to 2 by 7 plus 5 by 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 7 plus within bracket start 5 into 2 plus 1 into 1 upon 2 bracket close, then that is equal to 2 by 7 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 1 1s are 1 upon 2 bracket close, that is equal to 2 by 7 plus 10 plus 1 11 by 2. LCM of 7 comma 2 is 14. 2 2s are plus 11 7s are upon 14, that is equal to 4 plus 77 by 14. Final answer is LHS is equal to 81 by 14. Then RHS is equal to 2 by 7 plus 5 within brackets plus 1 by 2. 5 is nothing but 5 by 1, that is equal to 2 by 7 plus 5 by 1 within brackets plus 1 by 2. 2 into 1 plus 5 into 7 upon 7 plus 1 by 2, then that is equal to 2 plus 35 by 7 plus 1 by 2, then that is equal to 37 by 7 plus 1 by 2, then that is equal to, here LCM of 7 comma 2 is 14, then that is equal to 37 into 2 plus 1 by 7 upon 14, then that is equal to 74 plus 7 by 14, then final answer is 81 by 14. Here LHS is equal to RHS, that is 81 by 14. Take another example for in addition. Take three rational numbers, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and verify them. Both are equal or not. LCM is equal to 1 by 2 plus within brackets 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 bracket close, then that is equal to, here 3 4, LCM of 3 4 is 12, then that is equal to 1 by 2 plus bracket begin 1 into 4 plus 1 into 3 upon 12, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus bracket begin 4 plus 3 upon 12 bracket close, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 7 by 12, then that is equal to, here LCM 2 comma 12 is 12, 1 into 6 plus 7 into 1 upon 12, here 6 plus 7 by 12, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, 13 by 12, then RHS is within brackets 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 bracket close plus 1 by 4, that is equal to LCM of 2 comma 3 is 6, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 2 upon 6 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 6 plus 1 by 4, that is 5 by 6 plus 1 by 4. Here LCM of 6 comma 4 is 12, 5 into 12 plus 1 into 3 upon 12, 10 plus 3 by 12, that is equal to 13 by 12. Here LHS is equal to RHS, that is 13 by 12. Now check this rule for some more pairs of rational numbers. Both are equal, that is minus 9 by 10. Then take another one. Here also both are equal, that is 1 by 8. So we can say that a plus within bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b within brackets plus c for any three rational numbers a comma b and c. Thus addition is associative in the set of rational numbers. For all a comma b and c belongs to rational numbers, then a plus within bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b within brackets plus c. Associative property rational numbers under subtraction. Take three rational numbers 1 by 2 comma 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 4. Verify whether both are equal or not. LHS is equal to 1 by 2 minus within brackets 3 by 4 minus of minus 5 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus within brackets 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. 4 and 4 are the like denominators. That is equal to 1 by 2 minus within brackets 3 plus 5 by 4. Then that is equal to 1 by 2 minus 8 by 4. LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. That is equal to 1 into 2 minus 8 into 1 upon 4. 2 minus 8 upon 4, that is equal to minus 6 by 4 divided with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. LHS is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then go to RHS. RHS is equal to within bracket start 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 bracket close minus of minus 5 by 4, that is equal to 1 into 2 minus 3 into 1 by 4. Here LCM of 2 comma 3 is equal to 4 minus of minus 5 by 4. Then that is equal to 2 minus 3 by 4 bracket close plus 5 by 4. Then that is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Here 4 and 4 are the like denominators. Then that is equal to minus 1 plus 5 by 4. Then that is equal to 4 by 4. Here is dividing with 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. RHS is equal to 1. Here it is not equal to LHS. LHS is equal to minus 3 by 2 and RHS is equal to 1. Both are not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. We find subtraction is not associated in this set of rational numbers. That is A minus within brackets B minus C is not equal to A minus B within bracket minus C for any three rational numbers A comma B and C. For all A comma B and C belongs to rational numbers, then A minus within brackets B minus C is not equal to A minus B within brackets minus C. Associative property of rational numbers under multiplication. Take three rational numbers 2 by 3, comma 4 by 7 and minus 5 by 7. Verify whether given both are equal or not. LHS is equal to 2 by 3 into within bracket start 4 by 7 into minus 5 by 7 bracket close. 2 by 3 into product of numerators, that is 4 into minus 5, product of denominators 7 into 7, then that is equal to 2 by 3 into minus 20 upon 49, then that is equal to in numerator 2 into minus 20 upon 3 into 49, then that is equal to minus 40 by 147. RHS is equal to within brackets 2 by 3 into 4 by 7 into minus 5 by 7, that is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators, that is 4 into 2 into 4 upon 3 into 7 within brackets into minus 5 by 7, then that is equal to 8 by 21 into minus 5 by 7, then that is equal to 8 into minus 5 upon 21 into 7, that is equal, final answer is minus 40 by 147. Here LHS is equal to minus 40 by 147, then RHS is equal to minus 40 by 147, then both are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. We find multiplication is associative in the set of rational numbers, that is A into within brackets B into C is equal to A into B within bracket into C for any rational numbers A comma B and C. For all A comma B and C belongs to rational numbers, A into within brackets B into C is equal to A into B within brackets into C. Associative property of rational numbers under division, take three rational numbers 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 7. Verify whether both are equal or not. LHS is equal to 2 by 3 divided within brackets 3 by 4 divided 1 by 7. That is equal to, in division we first change the signs. 2 by 3 divided 3 by 4 into 7 by 1. 7 by 1 is nothing but inverse of 1 by 7. Inverse multiplication of 1 by 7. Then that is equal to 2 by 3 divided product of numerators by product of denominator 3 into 7 by 4 into 1. That is equal to 2 by 3 divided 21 by 4. Then that is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 by 21. 4 by 21 is multiplicative inverse of 21 by 4. Then that is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 by 21 product of numerators by product of denominators 2 into 24 by 3 into 21, that is equal to 8 by 63. Then go to RHS. RHS is equal to 2 by 3 divided with 3 by 4 within brackets divided with 1 by 7. Then 2 by 3 divided with 3 by 4 within brackets into 7 by 1. That is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is nothing but multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 into 7 by 1. That is equal to 4 into 2. It is the product of numerators by 3 into 3. It is product of denominators into 7 by 1. That is equal to 8 by 9 into 7 by 1. 8 sevens are 56 by 9. It is RHS. Then LHS is equal to 8 by 63 and RHS is equal to 56 by 9. LHS is not equal to RHS. We find division is not associative in the set of rational numbers. That is, A divided within brackets B divided with C is not equal to A divided with B within brackets divided with C. For any three rational numbers A, B and C, for all A, B and C belongs to rational numbers, then A divided with B divided by C is not equal to within brackets A divided B divided with C. Associative property for all numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Today we learn about rational numbers in addition, subtraction, multiplication and also division. In addition, all natural numbers, whole numbers and integers and rational numbers are associative. In subtraction, natural numbers, whole numbers are not associative, and also integers and rational numbers also not associative. In multiplication, is associative of all set of numbers, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. In division, set of all numbers are not associate, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Children, today we learn Associative property of rational numbers. I think you are all understand. Thank you children for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel